Okay, so hello guys, welcome to LinkedIn Web. This video YouTube tutorial, I'm going to basically show you how to operate this particular dashboard and how to create an account first. When you're done with creating an account, then look at how to make a deposit. When you're done with making deposit, you look at how to place an investment plan, and after that also look at how to withdraw your profits after you have placed your investment plan. So this session will cover both the admin session and the user session. Okay, so let's go on. To make registration, you just have to, no matter the type of homepage you are using, the dashboard is this. So you have to just do to fill up this. Okay, this is the email address I copied, and I'll just paste an email address here. Then I click on register. Now immediately I click on register, it should take me to the dashboard. So this is how the dashboard looks like. And the next thing a user have to do is to make a deposit on the dashboard. So in the dashboard, you have this fund account, you have withdrawal. This is the total balance, this is the total profit, this is the total bonus, this is the total referral bonus, and this is total investment, total active investment, and so on. So when you scroll down, you have this trade session, this live trade session, and also this trading widget that is on your dashboard. Alright, so to make a deposit, you just have to go to this fund your account, which is here. You click on fund your account, so it will take you to this page, the funding page. You put in the amount you want to fund. Let's say I want to fund $400, and you choose the payment method. You have USDT, you have Bitcoin, you have Ethereum. So I choose USDT. I can see you have chosen to pay with USDT TRC20. Then click on proceed to payment. Now I need to click over to payment to say you are to make payment of $100 using your selected method, screenshot, and this. So what the user have to do is just to copy this wallet address. You click on copy here. You can see his copy wallet address. Then go to his own wallet address and make the payment. Now when he's done with the payment, he will just have to come to this side and upload any proof. So that is the proof of payment, maybe a screenshot of this transaction successful from his own end. Then you click on this and choose any screenshot and upload. So when you are done with that, you click on submit. So you can see account found successful, please wait for a system to validate. So immediately this is done by your client. The next thing you are going to do is to go to your admin session and verify the deposits. Now, okay, let me log into the admin session. Okay, this is the admin session of your page, which your developer should send you the link, or if I'm the one that built the site for you, I'll send you the link, username, and your password to log into this particular page. All you have to do, you go to this manage DW, that is manage deposits and withdrawal. Then click on manage deposits. Now you have 400 as pending deposit from this. So you can click on this eye to view the screenshot the person upload, or you click on this process to approve the screenshot after you have received the money in your wallet address. So you click on process. So you can see it shows action successful. That means the money has been confirmed from the admin side. Then you have to go back to your own user dashboard and click on refresh. You can see the money is here on the available balance. So the next thing the admin or the user have to do is to make an investment with the money he have added on his dashboard. So what you need to do, or the user have to do, is just to go to this invest and click on subscribe to a plan. So you can see you have so many plans here. You have the starter plan, advanced plan, classic plan, and the premium plan. So if you want to choose this is the starter plan. Put in the amount here you want to invest with. Let me say the $100 and click on join plan. You can see investment have started. So if you go back to your dashboard, you can see the $100 have been subtracted from your account balance and has been used for this investment. And if you go to invest and go to my investments, you can see I have an active investment, which is starter plan, running for 7 days. So that is it. Then after 24 hours the user will receive his profits. Now the next thing the user have to do is to withdraw his profits. So let's assume it's 24 hours and he has received profits. For him to withdraw his profits, he has to click on this withdraw funds, which is this, and it will ask him to type in his password he used. So let me just quickly type in the password he used to register the account, and click on this. So these are the various withdrawal methods. You have USDT, you have Ethereum, and you have Bitcoin. Alright, for a user to withdraw his funds from his account, all you have to just use to come to this withdrawal site and click on request withdrawal, and this will pop out. Enter his account, enter the amount he wants to withdraw, and the wallet address. So let's use my wallet address, and the amount is 90, and you click on request or complete request and wait for it to load. Okay, you can see this shows action successful. Please wait while we process your request. Now the admin side, this is the admin side, and when you go to this manage WD and click on manage withdrawals, you can see you have a pending withdrawal of $90, and the payment method is USDT. This is the receiver email. You can click on view to view the wallet address. So you want to pay, you can just copy the wallet address and pay, and you can choose to mark the withdrawal as paid, or you can choose to mark the withdrawal as rejected. Now when you choose rejected, the user will receive a notification that withdrawal has been rejected, and the money will go back to his dashboard. But if you click on paid and click on proceed, the user will receive a notification that the withdrawal has been paid. Okay, so that is it. You can see process. Now if you go back to user dashboard and click on dashboard, you can see this available balance now 210, total profits, total bonus, this investment, this and this, then total withdrawal and other stuff. So that is how it looks like. And now other thing a user have to do now, okay, when you create account on the user dashboard, first you need to go and deactivate the OTP. Now if you click on this icon and go to withdrawal or account setting, let me go to account setting first. You can see account setting. You can choose to change your name, phone number, date of birth, and full address. Then if you go to withdrawal setting, you can choose to put your withdrawal method here. You go to password, you can choose to put your old password, create a new password, and go to setting. Now inside the setting, you see send confirmation OTP to my mail when withdrawing fund. At default it will be yes. So you as a user or the client, you have to click on no and click on save. So you click on save, wait for this to save, and that is all the setting you have to do. So you can check your profit record here. If you have a profit, it will show here, which you don't have anyone. You can also check your transaction history as a user. You can also exchange your cryptocurrencies. For example, if you have a money here in available balance, which is in USD, and I want to swap it to BTC, so you can just choose funding source is USD. Then okay, let's say fund, if you have some money in BTC and you want to convert it to USDT or any other currency, you can just choose put in the amount you want to put in and click on swap, and it will swap your coin. So that is it. Then this investment, and this refer users. So the number of users you have refer will be here, and this is your referral link. You can just click on this and you get your referral link. So this is help and support. You can write a message to the admin and they will also reply you. So this is what this is used for. Now from the admin session, this is the admin session. When you click on dashboard, you'll see the total number of users you have, total number of active users, then the total investment plan, which is for pending withdrawal. You don't have any total withdrawal, which is 90. Then total deposits or pending deposits, and you have the total deposits. So this is like a rundown. Now when you click on manage users, which is this, you have obviously have two users here, which is this, and you click on this particular referency to manage the referency. Now on this admin side, you can see you click on action. You can choose to check in the login activity of this user when he logged in last. When you click on login activity, you'll see when the user logged in last. If I log out, the data will show here. Then you click back. Then you click on the next one, block. You can choose to block this particular user. When you block this particular user, you will not be able to log into his admin dashboard again. You can choose to turn off share. You can choose to credit and debit this user. You can also choose to reset passwords for this user. You can choose to clear the user account. All the transaction history, total deposit to not be there again. Then you can also choose to edit user or send this user a mail or log in as this user to see his dashboard. For example, if you click on this login as this user, it will take you directly to the user dashboard. So even without the user password, you can be able to log in and see the user dashboard. Now let's talk about the credit and debit. If you click on this credit, you can choose to credit this user. Let me say $22. Then choose the method you want to credit the user. So you can put in the amount here and choose the method. Now if you click on bonus and credit this user, this amount will be added to the user bonus column. You can also choose to credit this user as profits. You can also choose to credit user as referral bonus. You can also choose to credit user as the account balance and deposits. So when you click on bonus or profits, let's say profit, and the clear amount type, which is credit, I want to credit user $22 as profits. Let's say he invested $100, then after 24 hours, I want to credit him $22 as profit. So you click on submit. Show action successful. So if you go back to user dashboard and refresh, you can see on the total profit you have this as $22. So after 24 hours, you can choose to credit the user on that. Okay. So the next step is you can also choose to debit this user. I can choose to debit user $10 as bonus and click on debit. So $10 will be subtracted from the user account. and when I click on refresh, you can see total bonus is minus $10. Okay, so this is basically how this dashboard looks like and everything on this dashboard. So you as the admin, the only work you have to do is to go to this manage deposit and withdrawal, click on deposit, check user deposit and approve deposit. When you click on deposit, you click on process and you approve the deposit. You go here again, you click on the withdrawal, you approve the withdrawal. So if you are a developer and you need this script, you can just send me a DM on the comment section of this particular YouTube video, or you chat me up on my WhatsApp. Check the description of this video, I've put my phone number there, so you can chat me up on my WhatsApp and I will sell this script to you. And if you are having any question or want to know more about the script, you can also drop your questions on the comment section of this particular video and I'll be able to answer you. So this script costs only 30,000 naira if you are in Nigeria, but if you are outside Nigeria, we charge just $30 for this. So thank you.